I didn't expect that at all. I'm totally thrilled. I'm over the moon. I'm so happy.
I'm going to be even more motivated. I don't know if it's possible, but I work with all my heart every day and I will keep on.
It's not so much about the prize. The best part of this, honestly, is about meeting the other guys and forming those friendships and relationships. So,
for sure, this victory is a good start to the next year and to do our best for Ferrari and for our passion for Ferrari.
It's an honor to have been here. It was a great competition.
And it's been special. It's been really good. Great experience. I hope to do the same again next year, but better.
It was an amazing experience. I met so many people from all around the world, and it's been an amazing time. So.
See you the next year, and I hope to win.